Hello designers and creatives, and welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man. This is Create Videos in Pixel on YouTube. On today's video, we're going to be learning how to create this logo design using PixelLab. So this is PhotoApp logo. For designers that always make designs, you must have been using this logo to make your design. So this is the logo we are going to be creating on this particular video. So let's get started now. But before we proceed, don't forget that this is Create Videos in Pixel on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share our video. We have dropped series of videos that will help you boost your creativity skills on logo design. So you go check our challenge video out and then get started with mastering logo design skills with PixelLab. So let's get started now. So first of all, I need to create a new workspace and then get rid of the new text on my screen, and then here I'm going to import my sketch, right? So this is the steps that I always take. First few steps I always take before I start my vectorization. So for those people that always watch my video, you must have got used to this particular step I always take. So it's not difficult. So after this, I'm going to expand it, okay, and position it here. I can then go ahead and lock it, okay. Then after this, I'm going to go here and then reduce the opacity, and I think it is okay. So here I've got what I needed. So the next step I need to take before I bring out my BEIZER curve, okay, is to bring out my grid lines. And then with grid lines now, I'm going to make sure that this is perfectly centrally aligned. So and then perfectly aligned instead, okay. And then here I will get what I think it is the best. So here I'm going to use my grid lines and then make selection for the places that are quite necessary. So I'm just watch and see how I do it. So everybody, you can do the same. Thank you. Now after this, now you can go ahead and pick your BEIZER, and then from here you are going to do the same thing I always do all the time. Okay, if you have been following my video tutorial, you'll see that this is always the basic step, except for the grid lines that I always work on now. The reason why you have to pick your grid line anytime you want to vectorize logo is that your grid lines will help you get a perfect logo vector, okay, for the straight line and for the curved lines. So you watch after I use the grid lines to vectorize my logo to get a perfect vector. So let's get there. So just watch and see how I do it, and then probably you can do the same. Thank you. Then you can go to the gradients, and then here we are going to select this gradients, okay. And then if you go here, you see that this is where I position the white one, and then for the blue one I position it here, and then for the blue color, for the blue part of the gradients, this is the color code, okay. And so you can actually copy it and then type it there, you just get the perfect color code. So here, and then we have it. So with this, we've got this one color. So this is how we got this first one. Then after this, I'm going to go here and then lock it. Then after this, I'm going to pick my BEIZER again and then do the same thing I always do before, and then start my vectorization with this. Okay, if you observe again, you're going to notice that for our PhotoApp logo, there is a kind of shadow effect that's at the bottom of this vector, okay, at the bottom of this vector, so that it separates this one from this. So I'm going to create such shadow effect that will make it look more realistic. So this is what I'm going to be doing. So watch out and see how I do it. So with this, we have gotten a perfect logo vector. So lastly, we can do one more thing by going here, select all of the three elements that we have created, and then merge them together into one object. So here we have our logo, PhotoApp logo, and I hope this video helps. If it helped, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video, and let others learn from our content. So we have dropped series of video tutorials similar to this that will help you boost your creativity skills on logo design. So you go check out, channel video out, and then thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Goodbye from here. Namaste.